What's up, everybody? Daniel's Racing 35 here. This is going to be a very, very quick setup, startup, slash, whatever guide on how to set up your NCE power cab and start running trains very quickly. First thing is first, you need your track leads. The same thing applies to HO or N scale. This particular guide, I guess, will be for Kato Unitrack. I have my feeder track right here, and you will also need your base deal. I'm just going to call this the base plate, I guess. You'll need your connection. You'll need a small flat blade screwdriver. You'll need one end of the Kato Unitrack that connects to the Kato Unitrack, and then of course the other end would have been one of these, or your own deal. I have cut mine excuse me. So what I'm doing right now is peeling the wires apart. I'll just do it on camera. So we'll peel the wires apart like so, and then I don't have a wire stripper, so I'm just going to use my little knife here. So just kind of do one of these guys here, get it so that it's exposed. And this is not the correct way to strip wires, but it works. So here's the stripped wires on this one, at least. I lost a few, but I don't really care. You're going to want to twist them all into one. Then we will rinse, repeat on this side. This is difficult to do with just, there we go. Alright, so then you twist, and we'll get rid of this guy. Here we go, whatever. So you have your two ends of wire. It is not going to matter which side of the NCE power cab adapter deal they go into. One trick that I did was fold the wires over just to make their profile a little bit bigger and give it a little something more to grab onto. So that's what I did right there. You're going to take this deal, you're going to back off the screws a bit, and if this is not centered, I apologize. I'm glancing over at my phone every once in a while to see. So then you stick the wires inside and hold them, and you close this one, and then you close that one, and then once you have them held in pretty decent, you just give them a little extra. You don't torque them down like, lug nuts on a car or anything. Just give them a little extra. So now you have that. So then you're going to want to take the other end, place it in the Kato Unitrack, or you can take the other side, and if it's got the two little leads that go here and here, then you connect them. You can imagine yourself doing that, and then we will go over to the track and reconnect it. Alright, so we are over here at the side of my little dinky test track layout that I have going, and this side is for the feeder track. So you take that, blah blah blah, and I really don't have to film this because anybody who is into model trains is gonna know how to connect track. So yeah, and then of course the other end is connected to this. So then we'll, you know what, I will just move the camera. We'll go like this. Sorry if that got you dizzy. Excuse me. So you have your power lead, which I've already plugged in. You have your track lead. Plug that in. It's keyed, so it only goes in up one side. This plate is meant to be mounted to the side of a layout, so you can plug it in and see what's going on from there. But we have the power lead. Plug it in. Now it's powered. Be sure not to touch anything metal on the bottom here, because that would be unfortunate. Excuse me. Then you're going to take your flat cable. Sorry for the cut there. Somebody came into my room here. So then you're going to take your flat cable, plug it in on the left-hand side, and left-hand side I mean like the light is on the bottom, and you plug it on the left-hand side. Take the other end and plug it into the bottom of your NCE power cab controller. The controller will light up, tell you what's going on, and you will see the light will turn on here. Then we are going to move this stuff out of the way. We're going to take a locomotive that is DCC that has not been reprogrammed, so I'm going to put my little re-railer deal on there, and I'm going to use this little Kato P42 that I have, phase 4 I think it is, and we're going to go like this, and we're going to hit select loco. You know what, let me get into better whatever. So we're going to hit select loco, which it'll say enter loco. Then we're going to say number 3, because that's what the default setting for every decoder is that is not reprogrammed. Then we're going to hit enter. So we're going to have control of this guy here. And then I can stop it, switch direction, stop it again, and I can toggle the headlight on and off. It's in reverse, never mind. I can toggle the headlight on and off. The decoder in this is, it's an MRC decoder. It's actually this one right here. But I'm not a fan of the color of the LED for the headlight. As you can see, it's like an orange. And I actually have the old board that went into this particular locomotive, and I'm going to end up taking these off, which are the original LEDs, and resolder them onto the DCC board so that it is white. So anyways, that is a quick way of getting your layout, well, not layout, but a test track at least, up and running on DCC. So as you can see, I am direction, there it is, slow it back down, direction, boom, and then I have the headlight button right here, boom, 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 and of course, oh yeah, you can see it. Alright, so yeah, if you like that video, please rate, subscribe. I will have a whole bunch more train stuff coming up fairly soon. I don't know exactly when. Followed by, or maybe not followed by, but along with some Subaru repair videos. So if you're into cars and you're into repair videos and stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. That was sideways, but give me a thumbs up. Say hello. Let me know what you think of this video. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. If you don't like people who say give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, and tell me. Let me know what's going on, why you don't like the video if you do thumbs down it. Even if it's just something stupid like you don't like my voice, just let me know. And I'll try to work on it. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.